Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make a peachy keen fun fold card using the Stampin' Up! Sweet as a Peach stamp set and coordinating peach dies. I like this fun fold card idea because it's easy to make and requires no explanation for those receiving it. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 20 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. And stick around to the end because I'm going to show you my fun fold card idea in 2 more versions. Here's a closer view of the Sweet as a Peach stamp set and the coordinating peach dies. When you order the 2 of them together using the special bundle item number I've listed right here, you'll save 10% on both. Always look for the bundle discounts because the savings can really add up. Now, the Sweet as a Peach stamp set, one of my top favorites in the 2021-2022 Stampin' Up! Catalog. Peaches, I just love them. My favorite pie, and just to eat, all juicy, and these look so realistic because they're distinctive. It's a distinctive stamp set, and distinctive is Stampin' Up's patent pending process to give us all of this amazing shading and depth just from inking it once and stamping. You'll see when we stamp in just a second. And so let's do that. I'm going to set that aside, and what I have here is some basic white cardstock. Whenever you use white cardstock, I highly recommend the basic white cardstock. It has a smooth, tight finish to give you a crisp, clean image. And isn't that what we want? Absolutely. So I'm going to start with the Calypso Coral Classic Stampin' Pad, and to open it, you just pick this up, slide it in, and there we go. And Calypso Coral, because it's one of the colors in the coordinating You're a Peach Designer Series paper I'm using today for the card I'm demonstrating. The other 2 I'll show you at the end. And so we've got our peach. This is a photopolymer stamp set. The rubber is clear, so we're going to ink this up really well. And come over here and stamp. Hold that down for just a second. Get a good stamped image. Oh, is that remarkable? You can see that's how it's supposed to look. The voids are there, and so it does the shading and highlighting for you. Unbelievable. The distinctive stamp sets, wow, 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 wow. Always impressive. All right, there we go. So we're done with that. So I do a little push, pull on that slip, flip it, and listen for that click. All right, so our next color, Pear Pizzazz, another one of the coordinating colors in the You're a Peach Designer Series papers. So same thing, open that up, and now we have our stem with our leaves. Very nice. It's easy with small stamps to go really fast and not get a full image, so I'm taking my time because I do that. All right, so let's try that again. A little push, pull on that lip, and click. So now that we have that done, we're ready for our die cutting. And for that, I'm going to use my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. So here's my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and now we need to build what they call a sandwich. All right, so we will start with plate number 1. It's just so easy with all these numbers. And then because I'm using the thin metal dies, I need plate number 2. And you don't have to memorize it because all this is on there, the instructions. And then I need a cutting plate, and that is plate number 3. All right. And then our basic white cardstock we just stamped on. Okay, so I made this as big as it is because I'm also going to be using the layering circles dies. I'm going to use the largest straight circle, not the scallop. All right, so now for the peach dies, we need a couple of these, and I have the peach. And here we go. We're going to center this around it. And I don't want it to move on me, so I'm using a piece of washi tape. And I use the washi tape over and over. It doesn't need to be because I don't want it to tear the cardstock, so I don't need a really strong hold. Just need it to hold it in place, so we've got that. And then for the leaves and the stem, put this on here. All right. I always stand up. I don't know, do you? I always stand up, except for when I'm on video, to do these. And where'd my little piece of washi tape go? Oh, here it is. And And we'll hold this in place. Oops, as I move it, as I do that. Okay. And I'm going to stamp afterwards, so that doesn't, it just needs to stay on the paper. It doesn't need to be perfect. And then we finish with another cutting plate, a number 3. So I want to place this on here, not scoot it on, place it on, because I don't want to shift everything. And then we crank it through, and I just love how easy this cranks through compared to what we had before. And so I've got my die cutting done. Look at that. Oops. All right, so I've got my circle, and I'll stamp on that. And with the stamps being photopolymer, I can see through them, that clear rubber. It'll make it a lot easier. Oh my goodness. And our leaves and our peach. So I need to cut another one of each of these, and then we'll put it together. So all the die cutting's done, and so now we have a little bit more stamping, and then we'll assemble it. So I'm bringing back the Pear Pizzazz Classic Stampin' Pad. Pick this up, slide it in, and I've got Have a Peachy Day. All right, and so what I'm going to do is come down about right here and stamp. Ah, lovely, lovely. All right, so that little push, there we go. You've got that, right? And I'm going to start attaching my peach and stem and leaves. So what I have here is the Stampin' Seal. And the first one I'm going to put on flat like this. So I'm not going to press yet. Let's place that there. And then I don't want that to stick yet. I want the stem, the leaf to come over top of the peach. There we go. That's looking good. And for this one, well, my favorite adhesive, not accessory, adhesive. Here we go. Stampin' Dimensionals, these foam adhesive dots give this some lift, and that'll be awesome. And let's put one on here too. All right. And so to get that backing off, you just press with your thumbnail, and look, it makes the side paper curl up, making it easy to get off. Unless you're on camera. Okay. And I want this to overlap and come down here and help fill that in. Oh, looking oh so good. That same idea right there. And then I just wanted a little bit more color, and so included in the Sweet as a Peach stamp set, we have these little flowers. So back with the Calypso Coral Classic Stampin' Pad. And both of these are from the Subtles collection. And I don't know if you know this, but if you order a whole collection at a time, all 10 pads, you save 10%. And so it's like getting one for free. Normally I don't do my stamping after, but I just wanted these to fit in right where I wanted them to, and really till I put them down, I'm not sure. So I just need to go nice and slow, because like I told you, with small stamps, I tend to go fast. I'll come over here, and I'm turning them. I don't want them all the same direction. I want them to look different. And there we go. And going off the edge, that makes that look seamless. Isn't this pretty? Now wait till you see it with the coordinating your A Peach Designer Series paper. So that's ready to go. So like I said, now just the assembly. So here's the fun fold. And I'll have a link to my blog post with all the measurements for this card. And so on this fold, oh, look at this gorgeous paper. All right, so back with our Stampin' Seal. There we go. Cute, cute, cute. Beautiful, actually, huh? And then inside, we have this that needs to be centered. All right, so some Pear Pizzazz cardstock. So Pear Pizzazz cardstock and ink pad, and Calypso Coral ink pad and cardstock. And the colors coordinate. Nothing clashes, you know, and it's just so pleasing to the eye. And that's going to be a layer for this, and this is a fold. I already went ahead and put the white piece in for your message and signature. So some more Stampin' Seal. You know, when everything's just nice and flat like this, I find an inch in each corner, I get a great hold. Oh, doesn't that look nice? Okay, so, and then we've got another piece. Oh, look at these patterns. And oh, I know every one of them are just so yummy, but I didn't want, that's a bit much going on. So we've got something a little bit more, neutral for a pattern. There we go. Layer this on. Easy peasy, right? And so there's our fun fold. Like I said, some of the folds, unless people, you almost have to write directions for them. And this, well, they'll know to open like that. And so then we'll end with this. And this month, July 1st through August 2nd, 2021, select designer series papers from the 2021-2022 Stampin' Up! Catalog, and it includes the You're a Peach designer series paper, is 15% off. So you can grab that in my online store and you can just stock up on all of the great patterns. How adorable is this? An easy to make fun fold card that is showing off two of the patterns, so pretty, and your message. I got in the swap, you may have seen my video, the swaps from the Stampin' Up! Grand Vacation to Maui, and had this fun fold with this stamp set. And so I took her idea and just changed it up a little bit. All right, and then I promised to show you more cards that I made with this. Oh, just love it. And I think I told you, if I didn't, let me say it again. I'll have a link to my blog post with this card and all the measurements, so it'll be easy for you to duplicate. All right, so here is another one using more patterns from the You're a Peach designer series paper. Aren't these pretty together? So here we've got the peach and the peach blossoms and some green. And then the last one, the stripes with the blossoms. I know these papers are so gorgeous, it's hard to pick a favorite, but hey, why don't you do that? Leave a comment under my video and let me know which one of these tickled your fancy the most. And so it is fun making Peachy Keen cards with the Sweet as a Peach stamp set. If you'd like to make my Sweet as a Peach Fun Fold card, all the supplies are listed below the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. When you place your July 2021 Stampin' Up! Order of $50 or more with me, I'm going to send you one of my Sweet as a Peach Fun Fold cards. So get on over now to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelley Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamp smiles. Thanks for watching.